In this video, we will learn how to turn your smartphone off without the power button. Welcome to the channel. If you have a broken power button, then make sure to pay attention because I will tell you how to turn your Android smartphone off without using the physical power button. For starters, if you have a Vivo phone like me, then this should be easy and straightforward. What you need to do in order to shut down your phone without the power button is open the shortcut center. We can find the shortcut center on the lower left of our phone. Next is we have to scroll down and look for the three dots. Let's go ahead and click it. After clicking the three dots, we should see a bunch of shortcuts from our phone. The next step is to look for the power off button. Once we have found the power button, it is time to press it. After pressing the power button, you should see two options, which is to power off or restart the phone. However, if you don't have those shortcut options, what you need to do is go to Play Store and search for OneShade. Let us go ahead and click OneShade and tap Install. After installing OneShade, I want you to open it and follow every steps that I make. Once it is loaded, just click the Try Limited version. And then after loading, we just have to allow OneShade to have permissions to run the app. Hit allow. Just click on OneShade and then turn it on. Hit allow again. And now we are a step closer to having a digital power button. Allow notifications and then hit OneShade and then allow it. Once we are done granting OneShade permissions, what we want to do next is scroll down. After scrolling down, we should see a layout button. I want you to go ahead and press that. After clicking the layout button, we have to scroll down and look for show power menu button and then click enable. Let's go back to home screen. And now if we slide our notifications, we can see a power button on the top right corner. The power off and restart option should show again. And now that you know how to turn your smartphone off without your physical power button, please continue supporting us by liking, subscribing, and ringing the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching.